welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Gabrielle Morris and welcome. So before we get into today's video, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video. You guys, I'm super excited about today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys one of the ways that I save my money and also giving you guys some tips on different ways to save money as well. But first, I'm going to start off with showing you guys my method for 2021. Now, I've been doing this method for the past 2 to 3 years now. At the end of the day, I'm going to take my wallet, I got some loose change in here, so this is what I'm gonna do. Cause usually at the end of the week, I just put the money in the box. Or if I'm not feeling lazy that day, I'll just take my wallet and do it day by day. But for me, that's a little bit too much. So got all the coins out. Then I'm also going to take the cash out. Now I don't put big bills in here for real. Usually I take my 5s and my 1s. That is what usually I put in here, 5 and 1s. Now my 10s, I usually keep that for myself as in cash just to spend throughout the day or through the week. Now if I'm feeling a little, feeling a little good, I might toss a 50. No, I ain't tossing no 50 in here. I might toss a 20 or a 10 in here. I don't think I have any 50s. Then at the end of the week, I'm going to stuff it in here. So look, 5, 6, 7, 8. Putting it, I made a hole, so I put it in this hole, or I either just open the lid, and do it that way. So whatever way I'm feeling like doing. And that's it. So really simple, really easy. I want you guys to save with me, so that's why I'm doing this video now, part 1. Save with me, and so you guys can see that it is effective. It is only half of the year right now. I don't know how much money I have in here right now, but I'm sure I got a good little something in this box. And then the second part, I'm going to come back and count up the remainder of the money to see how much I've saved. So yeah, this is all of my money that I've saved so far through 2021. This box is a little heavy. Okay. So y'all, this is all of my money that I've saved through 2021. Coins are at the bottom. Like, hold on. Ooh, I'm making a mess, but coins are at the bottom. Can y'all see that? I'm just gonna separate my bills and then count it up. Yes, sir. 20s. I didn't even know I had this many 20s in here. That's crazy. Sheesh. You finna fill the whole table up. My God. Won't he do it? Alright, scoot this over. Yes. So here are all of the coins right here in this box. Oh, we're not gonna mess with that. I will be rolling those up at the end of the year, so I'm just gonna toss these in here so I don't forget about them. Okay, so I have one $50 bill, I have 30 $20 bills. All right, y'all. So I have my total here, and of course, my 50 bills are 50 solid. My 20s in total equal $600. My 10s equal $190. My 5s equal $380, and my 1s equal $206. And when you add all of that together, you get $1,426. So that is $1,426 saved so far, and it's only been half of the year. This is definitely an easy, effective way to save money. Oh wow, this is nice. This is really nice. I can't wait to see how much money I end up saving at the end of the year. It's basically your spending and saving habits that really help you save money and keep the money that you're making. One, cutting down on bills helps you save money. Also, find those bills that you don't need. I give myself a spending allowance. I did that at the beginning of the year. I haven't been as good these past few months, but for 1 month, I gave myself $400 to spend. It was tough. It was a little tough. But that was my spending limit for the month. I gave myself $400 for clothes and things like that. Of course, I didn't put my groceries and things in that. Don't go shopping for unnecessary things. Sometimes I ask myself, do I need it or do I want it? And so sometimes that'll stop me from purchasing something. And that's a way that I save money. I need to stop saying because I feel like somebody's going to mention that in the comments section. But also figuring out different side hustles. Just because you have more money coming in doesn't mean that's more money for you to spend. I have a savings account. I also have a rainy day account, which is very, very important. You want to have a savings account and a rainy day account, because when something out the blue pops up, you don't want to keep taking out of your savings account just to have saved it so high just to watch it come back down and start all over. That's why I have a rainy day account, because I don't want to touch my savings. So I'm going to put all my money back in the box, and I'm going to tape it up so that make sure that I don't go back inside of it. Don't steal no money out of it. Don't borrow no money out of it. None of that. None of that. So I need y'all to do the same thing. I want you guys to do the same thing, just because some of y'all can't be trusted with y'all own money. And that's sad, but it's true. So, to prevent you guys from stealing from yourself or borrowing from yourself and knowing good and well you ain't gonna put it back, just tape up the box and leave it alone. Let it be. Now, if you do borrow from yourself, which this is something that I usually do when I borrow from myself, instead of putting back the amount that I took out, I like to add interest to what I took out, or double, or add an extra 10 or top. But like I was saying, I will add those different amounts on top of what I've taken out. That is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. If you're still here, I hope this video at least helped one person, and if it helped you, please thumbs up this video, comment down below, and I will be sure to do a part 2, or let me know if y'all would even want to see a part 2. If you would, thumbs it up, and also let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also click the little bell icon that is next to my name, so you'll be notified each and every time that I release a new video. But wow, this is just still I can't believe I saved this much so far. But thank you guys so much once again for watching, and let me know some videos that you guys would like to see from my channel also, and I'll try my best to get them out. I am here and I am back, let me know what you guys think about my new intro as well. And that's it. I just am enjoying myself today. I look cute on camera too. But if you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram. Also, I did not mention that. Follow me on Instagram at GabrielleM_, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.